Santa Fe, loved by both men and women of all ages, has been one of Hyundai's best-selling SUVs with the value of the family top priority. From the first-generation Santa Fe, which focused on comfort and versatility for family, to the fourth-generation Santa Fe, providing proactive, advanced care for all families. We are celebrating 20th anniversary of Santa Fe's continuous evolution as an urban family SUV. The value of Santa Fe's family orientation is represented by a variety of words, including trust, stability, and utmost care. Santa Fe is now reborn as a premium SUV that offers the most complete experience for the family.
The new Santa Fe offers best quality time for families all around the world. From every detail in the vehicle, you can find the innovation wisely and widely geared for our families. These effortless innovations the new Santa Fe provides will bring a big step up to you and your family's daily life as easily and conveniently just as a finger snap. Let's take a look how it all works.
The new Santa Fe's front features a wide grille stretching from end to end. It's really wide, isn't it? The long horizontal grille is perfect for its air intakes, making the car stand more stable and reliable. Look at the geometric patterns applied to the grille and the air intakes. As the grille widens to both sides, the new Santa Fe shows its integrated architecture, including both lamps and grille harmoniously. Hyundai has been introducing headlamp design called the composite lights for SUV lineups. In the new Santa Fe, T-shaped composite light has been applied to offer a perfect blend with its wide grille, leading to the unrivaled presence on the road. If you look at the side, even as a facelift model, the overall profile ratio of the new Santa Fe has been improved with its new platform. Thanks to this, the wheelbase became longer while completing a bolder and confident character. Look at the rear. The rear lamps have been redesigned as well. It's longer, it's wrapping around both sides of the vehicle. The three horizontal layers of rear lamp, reflector, and skid plate also make Santa Fe look wider and bigger. Now let's go inside the car. Santa Fe's interior design will provide a new level of spacious, comfortable, and luxurious experience. From the first side, you can feel the premium value from every part of the vehicle. At the same time, driver's usability can never be missed. We have applied a practical layout for easy, comfortable, and natural use. The high center console, wrapped in a soft leather, gives you the feeling that we are sitting in an armchair in a lounge. And all the buttons, including shift-by-wire, are in the center for more intuitive and easier operation. Thanks to the high console, there is a room below for extra family luggage. The new Santa Fe has many firsts in its class. The 12.3-inch LCD cluster and 10.25-inch smart navigation enhance the driver's visibility as well as its luxurious look. The new Santa Fe is an SUV for customers seeking for special and valuable time in their busy lives. I hope Santa Fe will be with you at every precious moment.
From downtown getaways to weekend countryside camping, families who enjoy various activities want to have a pleasant and comfortable time on their journey. That is why the new Santa Fe's overall length, width, and height have all increased by applying a new platform. The second row legroom has been expanded to make passengers on the rear seat more comfortable. The floor level of the rear seat has also been lowered to secure better legroom space without compromising the headroom. Even adult members of the family can enjoy their spacious ride in the second row. Don't worry about extra family members either. The third row seat will accommodate everyone, everywhere. Family travel means having a great deal of baggage. To accommodate more family memories, we dramatically increase the cargo capacity. By adopting new powertrains, the new Santa Fe provides powerful performance and amazing fuel economy that cannot be missed even as a family SUV. Dynamic driving pleasure and comparative fuel economy have been improved altogether. Powerful engine performance and fast shipping enable drivers to enjoy sporty driving experience. The new Santa Fe is equipped with Hyundai's new platform even as a facelift model. With our new platform, the level of collision safety, noise, and vibration, which are the most important aspects of family SUVs, have all been greatly improved. The new #Shift frame structure with higher ratio of hot-stamped steel plates, actively upgraded collision safety, and body rigidity. The new material called Hydrobush has also been added to the car's subframe. As the material is in liquid form, it reduces the delivery of engine vibration and noise, providing excellent comfort during acceleration. By eliminating daily noise and vibration, the new Santa Fe will provide a premium, quiet driving experience.
Nothing is more important than safety when it comes to family vehicle. That is why Santa Fe, the most innovative family SUV, comes with a full suite of advanced CleanTM technologies that proactively protect our family at the highest level in its class. Let me tell you Hyundai's deepest care and endless improvements on all direction safety. Blind Spot View Monitor, one of Hyundai's signature safety technologies, displays the blind spot on the cluster when you activate your turn signal. As the view seen in the cluster is much wider than the view seen through side mirror. You can change lanes even more safely by detecting obstacles in the blind spot. If you forget to check the blind spot, don't worry. The new Santa Fe's Blind Spot Collision Avoidance Assist will detect approaching vehicle instead and give you a warning or even activate braking assist. In addition, the newly applied Lane Following Assist adjusts the steering wheel so that the vehicle runs safely along the center of the lane. Some features are even more improved to prevent every danger we confront in daily driving scenes. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist helps you avoid collisions not only with target in front of vehicle, but also with oncoming vehicle while turning left at an intersection. Smart Cruise Control has also been upgraded. It not only maintains speed, but also detects the vehicle in front, keeping the safe distance by automatically adjusting speed. The vehicle stops and starts automatically if the vehicle in front starts in a short time. If a period of time has elapsed, start again by pressing the accelerator pedal or operating the plus or minus switch.
Family safety and convenience must continue till the moment we get in and out of the vehicle. With the most cutting-edge technology, the new Santa Fe provides a hassle-free experience by carefully resolving any discomfort that might occur in parking moments. You may come across a parking space that is too tight for families to get in or to load your cargoes. With Remote Smart Parking Assist, the new Santa Fe will allow you to remotely control the car forward and backward with a smart key from outside the vehicle. With Santa Fe's Surround View Monitor, parking will never be a hassle. You can easily track nearby obstacles by selecting the view mode that you prefer, including a 360-degree top view, as well as the front, side, and rear views. Rear cross-traffic collision avoidance assist also detects vehicles coming from the rear side and provides a warning alarm, or even automatically activates emergency braking if necessary.
We strive to figure out how to create the best family quality time in Santa Fe. Here, Santa Fe provides the most satisfying in-car experience for each individual for the sake of the comfort for the whole family. For those users who share Santa Fe with other family members, just choose your profile once you get on the car. Santa Fe will automatically set itself up with AVN, cluster, and air temperature settings, and many more that you previously used within the vehicle. Santa Fe even remembers each driver's seat position so that you don't have to adjust your seat every time you drive. First to be introduced to the world by Hyundai, the new Santa Fe also analyzes the driving habits of each family member and automatically provides driving textures tailored to each driver's preferences. The new Santa Fe is equipped with Hyundai's exclusive family signature functions based on careful consideration for family. With passenger talk feature, you can have a pleasant, soft conversation with their family members in the rear seat as it delivers your voice clearly through rear speakers. Reverse with quiet mode, you can turn down the volume of all speakers except for the driver's side to enjoy music on your own without disturbing children sleeping in the back seat.
The new Santa Fe is now here with its new look and technology beyond your expectation.
We believe each and every family who meets Santa Fe should be happier than ever.
With its wise and wide care, Santa Fe will offer innovation for all families.
It's time for you to experience the new Santa Fe.
Santa Fe family.